Okay, I'm gonna make a video for you. So I just finished spraying a Q, disassembled the gun. This is just a small little touch-up gun, but pretty much same principle. You got to take it all apart. Be careful. Sometimes they have let's call it a gasket spacer, whatever. So be careful when you blow it out. This doesn't get blown out and you lose it. So anyway, took it apart and I dipped it in lacquer thinner or fast thinner. Now I'm going to put it back together. So here's the needle. The needle goes in there, like so. You get the spring, and you get this adjustment. This is one of the basic, most important adjustments on your gun. So put that in there. Okay. So, see? Okay. Then you get this. Okay, putting it in there, and this one has to be either really snug, almost tight. There. If it's not, it's gonna sputter and act up on you. And then of course your nozzle, which was already cleaned, sprayed, and dipped. Okay, and that's it. Your gun is now assembled. And we'll talk about adjustments later.